He's gonna bite you, bro. He's gonna bite you, bro.
Oh, Chase. Are you locked away?
Oh my God! Whoa! Dude, you're gonna fall over.
Did that scare you, Lucy?
Documents were in place. Buford, you listening? Now get this. That's when the subcommittee had to reallocate the funds and...
There's normal dogs. And then there's Bella.
Don't even fucking talk to me. Then you have to say, I love you. Good girl.